Diwali is India's biggest festival. It is called the Festival of Lights. It is celebrated all over India. So these are traditional clothes that we wear in India. The boys are wearing something called a kurta. Boys, can you just raise your hands? And kurta is a word that means shirt. But as you can see, it's not just a shirt. We wear lots of bright colors with lots of bright patterns. Right, girls, raise your hand. So right here we have, it's a salwar kameez. Salwarish. Salwar are the pants and kameez is the shirt. As you can see, there's lots of different colors. And then there's another outfit that girls wear, and this is called a lehenga. Lehenga is a long dress with a pretty blouse.
Well, we wanted to wish all of you a very, very happy Diwali and a happy New Year. We hope you enjoyed learning a little bit more about what Diwali is and how we celebrate, what we wear, what we eat. Sweets, music, food, dancing, fun are all part of the experience. A special thank you for all the parent volunteers that came out today to help us.